Warning: this video contains flashing indicators and loud sounds that may be irritating or could trigger a seizure. If you have photosensitive or startle-induced epilepsy, I strongly recommend that you stop watching. Sincerely, Canada WX.
It's currently 11:59 a.m. 1 minute before Tuesday. This one's out of time.
Forecast for Quebec issued by the Environment Canada at 6 a.m. at Wednesday, December 31st, 2025. Wednesday, maximum air quality health index 2 or low risk. Wednesday night, maximum air quality health index 2 or low risk.
Please activate.
Maximum air quality health index 2
That's
or
SLR.
low risk. Thursday night, maximum air quality health index 2 or low risk. This is Weather Radio Canada.
BD goes second.
LF 369, broadcasting from Quebec, Mont-Belair, on a frequency of 100.
No, that's on channel 6? Oh, yeah, it's on channel 6.
Oh!
Ooh! Yes! You! You went on. Oh my god. Yes! Oh, I'm so happy, dude. This one went off. It went off. Well, that didn't went off. That's weird. I thought it went off. What
Prévision pour Mauricie, environnement Canada à 11h30, l'heure normale de mercredi.
Here we go.
Mercredi 31
Oh, that's human fiction. Let me do it.
Aujourd'hui,
There goes the MC of this week.